Hi, welcome back to the shop. I just got this 62 in the mail. Really happy with the way the guy packed it. It was really pretty amazing and everything. Everything tightly packed into a nice little box. I'm in the middle of working on this chair here, so excuse that in the way. I took off the knob and the tote, all this was apart when I got it. And I polished up the brass a little bit there. The rosewood on the handle is really beautiful. The amazing thing about this plane is that this is all original. The rosewood here is nice and everything, but the mouth is flawless. And that is the hardest thing to find on these planes because it's got this adjustable throat. And because of that, a lot of times there'll be little chips and things here. So this one was a grab when I saw it, and I've cleaned it up a little bit more. The owner previous to me had done some work on the sides and the bottom, and he did a really nice job, and it looks really good. The plating on this, on the lever cap is a little chippy there, but I think I can polish that up and fix it a little bit. The grind on the iron is not good, but I'll correct that and get some of this rust off and stuff like that. Show you that, and then we'll come back and we'll try it out. Here you can see the Stanley logo, Stanley Sweetheart. You can date it with that. And here you can see the iron. I sharpened all that I needed to, because here, this part here that's dark, that was sharpened at a different bevel, and so a different angle. So all I needed to do was to get it to the point that the front edge got rid of that little notch that was in it and the little damage on this side, and then there's no point in me continuing and taking it down. It's just losing iron. So I'm leaving this original part here that was ground, and that's the darker part, and all I did was clean up the edge on the back. I did have to do a little flattening here, and it's not necessary that it be perfect, but see, it's very close on the two sides and perfect in the middle here. And that's all I'm going to do on it right now. This is all very clean here. So here's the end product of my cleanup. The sides look good and the bottom is nice and flat. The other side, the tote is immaculate. So a few little tiny little chips here. This is now corrected. It was too far in, so it was touching the sole, so that's corrected. Very easily done. Polish this up a little bit, but I could still use a little cleaning in there, but not necessary for the use of the plane. Let me show you how well this thing is working though. It's really beautiful. It's not taking me any kind of force to do this, so I'll just do it nice and slowly and let you guys see what kind of a shaving I'm getting here. Having to turn a little bit there just because the tripod's in the way, but I think you can see the shaving that's coming out. Now if you want to, oh, here you go. Look at that. Nothing wrong at all with that. And it's not taking any force to put it through because of that low angle. So at any rate, I'm real happy with it. And I think anybody else would be too. It's a little pricey plane to find, but it's really quite useful. The Japanning on this one is amazing, all the way up to the front and everything. Really good shape, and the rosewood is beautiful. And it's kind of a little addictive and a little fun just to watch that little shaving roll up in there. And the finish of the wood that we're done with is equally pretty. Isn't that a great sound? So, thanks for joining me in the shop. I hope you've enjoyed this. I'm going to enjoy this plane for many years. I won't be selling it very soon. So again, thanks for coming and hanging out. Talk to you later.